Good evening. Namaste. Welcome. Hi, Isabel. So good to see you. Hi, Yasmin. How are you? Okay, so even though we wrote in the poster that this is going to be Reiki for cancer patients and chronically or critically ill patients, there's a lot that is going on out there that many of us are not aware of, and lots going on in all our bodies. So even if I know some people have written to me specifically that they need healing for, particular cancer that they're going through or someone close to them, but I'm going to really open this field to the broader, just open it to the universe that wherever this energy needs to go, whoever may benefit. So we're just going to channel this energy to them. And many of you here are strong Reiki channels who keep practicing. So I invite you in to just bring in the light as we will be guiding each other and just spreading this light to wherever it is needed. So thank you for joining in, and let's work on creating this powerful field of healing light, knowing that, wherever there is darkness, the moment we switch on or channel the light, the darkness just dissipates. So anyone you know who's suffering, just keep them in the circle of healing. And even if we don't know, we're just going to open this to wherever it is needed. We're going to ask the universe to help us spread this light wherever it is needed, to whoever it can touch. And it's not about even kind of curing the illness. It is just from the point of giving comfort, giving ease, and also, like there are side effects of medicines, chemotherapies, which somehow harm the body more than the treatment. So whatever it is that uh, anybody's body is going through, and now we fully understand that there is absolutely no separation. The separation is only physical, but in our hearts, anyone, anywhere in the world, whether your sister or, my parent, we're all one. It's all, this one universal energy that we feel strongly connected to. So we're going to ask to give any body that needs healing, anybody that needs comfort, anybody that needs to open up, to release any negativity, because of which they may be attracting any kind of illness, and particularly those who are in a very, very critical or chronic, struggling with physical issues in their bodies. We're going to hold them. And especially in this healing light today, we're going to hold people who are taking care of critically ill patients or cancer patients. And definitely that includes a lot of these, of the, people from the medical faculty. But we're also going to specially ask to heal those who are supporting their families, their friends, their children, their parents, and are looking after them. We're going to especially channel energy for them because they need this healing as much as the patient. And somehow we tend to just give all the energy towards the patient, who of course is suffering and needs it. But it is very, very important uh, to channel it to those who are taking care of the patients. And it could be to any degree. It's not necessary that you have to be physically all the time involved with the patients. You could be emotionally and mentally invested in looking after somebody. Just anything that anybody needs specifically focusing on supporting them to support whoever they are looking after, and heal themselves also, to have the strength to deal with this energy that is needed to flow through them right now. So we open the field to all. Just keep in your mind all your friends, family, anybody who comes to your mind. Okay, many of you are Reiki channels here and Reiki 3 channels. So I want you to be channeling along with me. 1, 2, 3, whatever levels you've done Reiki or not done, just know that the light flows through you. So just be open to receiving. And in Reiki, we say it is in giving that we receive. I also see a few new people here who I may not be knowing. So we are going to be teaching Reiki also in the coming week. So if any of you are interested, just get in touch with me or one of the girls in the team, and we'll send you the details. So just settle down in your spaces. You can lie down, you can sit comfortably. You can be reclining on a sofa, on a chair. It just doesn't matter. The most important thing is that you need to just be in a comfortable, easy space. Because if your body is not comfortable and we are channeling energy, all the energy goes into first making the body comfortable in the posture, in the way you're sitting, in the support that you need. So just take support, lie down, lean against the bed, the sofa, it doesn't matter. Just be extremely, extremely comfortable in your space. And as we always start, let's invoke our guides and masters, angels, archangels, teachers, gurus, particularly invoking all the deities who help in healing, Archangel Raphael, any other gods and deities you wish to invoke. We open this field, we acknowledge their presence, and we thank them for their support. And then let's invoke our Reiki masters, Dr. Usui, Dr. Hayashi, Madam Takata, my teachers, Puran and Sumandua, Rohini and Rohit sir. And you may invoke any of your teachers, Reiki teachers, or any other teachers in your life. Day after, it's a very strong day, very strong, powerful Guru Purnima, where we are going to acknowledge and, bow down to all our gurus. So we invoke their energy in here right now. And know that you're just that channel through which this energy is being revoked. And you're just allowing that energy to flow through you and channeling it to not just the few people who have written to me or have put out their request, people known to you who you hold in your heart, and the larger masses, people who are critically ill, who are suffering in the body, who have difficulty in letting go, and those who are struggling with a form of cancer in their body, undergoing treatment. We include all those people in this healing circle, knowing that we're only separated through these physical bodies, but actually there is no separation. Whatever strata of society, whatever caste, creed, the Reiki energy just does not look at all these things. It touches each and every soul. And we dissolve all separations as we now invoke this healing energy from the source. Just imagine light coming in from the source, coming in through the center of your head, in through your Sahasrara, your crown chakra. Bring this energy in between your eyebrows, into your Ajna chakra. Breathe a couple of times to open up your intuitive and psychic abilities, connecting to people far and beyond through the Ajna chakra, focusing in between your eyebrows. Take a moment to channel this energy further down. Bring it into your throat. Breathe a couple of times as we allow this energy to fill our throat center. Expanding the energy beyond this body. And then we bring this energy into our heart center, center of our chest. Breathe a couple of times as you bring into your heart center. Breathe into the center of your chest, filling up this light in your entire upper body. Breathe into this anahata, filling up your heart space, filling up your chest with this healing light. Knowing that most of these diseases that we experience is because our heart is shut down. We are opening ourselves to receiving and receiving with love. So feel your heart chakra expanding and this expanded light of love spreading to every soul we have included in this healing circle right now. And then let's ask this energy to flow through our arms, bringing it into our Reiki palms. And then asking this light to be channeled to each and every soul, each and every body, each and every cell of any life on this earth where it is needed. Praying in our hearts to allow this light to heal those cells, those tissues, those bones, whichever body organ needs this healing today. Letting this light travel deep into the body, targeting those specific cells which are disaligned, disrupted, being destroyed. System. And if we are not aware of where the exact issue is, let's just cover the entire body with this healing light, giving a nice, beautiful Reiki bath. Knowing that this healing light, as it flows through your body, gently sweeps away any disruptions in the energy system. Asking for the heart chakra to be totally open for all these patients who may feel that life is not supporting them. And the special light touching each one's heart center at the center of the chest, opening up the heart chakra, the heart center, releasing sadness, releasing grief, releasing pain. A disease like cancer develops due to holding on to a lot of resentment. But as we channel this energy to our heart centers, we seek forgiveness. So knowing that you're one of the whole, let's open our hearts and seek forgiveness, not specifically from person A or B, but seek forgiveness from ourselves for attracting this illness in our lives. And seek forgiveness from the universe. Feel this healing energy opening up every cell of your heart center, channeling the energy to the center of your chest. Feel this powerful healing light, beautiful emerald green healing energy at the center of your chest, releasing any sadness, any grief, hurts, regrets, guilt. It's asked to totally dissolve them. Just surrender them to the healing light. Seeking forgiveness for ourselves, for our loved ones, our family, and friends. Opening ourselves to the healing vibration of love. Those of you who are aware of the Reiki symbols, let's invoke and draw those symbols now. 4 symbols or 3 symbols, whatever it is that you're aware of. Draw those symbols for this healing circle to amplify this healing energy that is being channeled through each of us here. It's us to open up each one's energy, bringing in the motivation, the willpower, the strength to want to heal. Knowing that each one of us deserves to be healed. And this healing energy fully supports one and all. See the hearts expanding and healing wherever it is needed in the body. Here, when we send energy, when we send Reiki to the heart chakra, many a times for cancer patients, we say, when you're physically doing a healing for a cancer patient, don't give them Reiki on their heart center. But here we're just focusing on releasing those emotions and opening them to love. And to further release this resentment, let's focus on the solar plexus area, one of the safest places to give healing to. So focus on the stomach, the gut area, the entire digestive organ. Let's fill them with this healing light. Focusing on enhancing and clearing the solar plexus, aligning this chakra to give more strength to the body to heal. This is the sun in our body. Just as the sun, the strong sun is to the solar system, the solar plexus chakra is to our energy body. We ask to clear and align this chakra to give us that inner strength to fully heal. And of course, dissolving lower emotions, the egoic emotions like jealousy, bitterness, anger, resentment, hatred. Coming into deep acceptance, putting on the front and the back stomach area for one and all. Let's help. Let's clear and send healing to open up all these digestive tracts, these parts. Healing all these digestive organs and coming into a space full acceptance, dissolving all resistances. And as we focus on the back solar plexus, we're going to move this light down to the kidneys on either sides and moving down to the entire urinary system to help us to let go of all the waste, thoughts, emotions that are held in the body, mostly unconsciously. Focus on the kidneys at the back and the lower abdomen, the front and the back sacral chakra, the hara chakra just below the navel. This is where we feel all the anxiety, the entanglements in all our relationships. And life is such that we do tend to get entangled in many relationships, entangled in the thoughts of others, the words said by others, the disagreements, the arguments, which occur in all relationships. Let's us to fully clear those imprints that entangle us with people and limit us from receiving this divine energy, limit us in our body to fully heal. So focus on the saffron orange hara chakra just below your navel. Swadhisthana chakra, the exact center of our body. Many of these diseases that we are experiencing in the body are due to our own lifestyles, our laziness, procrastination, lack of awareness, habits, thoughts, perceptions that we're not able to change. So let's seek forgiveness for ourselves, asking for that strength to respect and heal this body and not abuse it with our addictive habits. Just see this light spreading through your entire lower abdomen, releasing any anxieties, any relationships that we need to heal. We ask for them to be healed now. Keep drawing your Reiki symbols, keep channeling the light. Just know that the light goes exactly where it is needed. So just be in this light. Let's focus on giving Reiki to the lower body, the legs, the thighs, the pelvic region, the knees, the calf muscles, the ankles, and the feet, giving us the strength to stand up, balance ourselves in this body, and move ahead fearlessly, dissolving those insecurities and fears that we hold in our body. Many of us need a lot of healing on our knees. And many of us need healing from the anxiety that we feel due to the illness that one is experiencing. And many of us who we are channeling this energy to, the caregivers, the caretakers who need the strength in their legs to stand nice and strong, physically, emotionally, and mentally, supporting their patients and their loved ones, asking them to build healthy boundaries and understand that they're just doing what they need to. And at every point, that whatever they are doing more than their best. So channeling energy to the lower body. Just allowing this light to flow to our near and dear ones, to all those included in this healing circle on this call right now. And then allowing this light to go far and beyond, because this light is limitless and it carries infinite potentiality, infinite potential to heal. Dissolving all distances, moving far and beyond. Feel the support of Mother Earth below you, the strength that you receive from Mother Earth as you stand nice and strong, opening yourself to receiving this healing energy from the source above, from the fathers above, and Mother Earth below. Feel this powerful healing energy of Reiki flowing through the source into the soles of your feet. And just let it move up through your body, through each toe of your foot, through the heels, the ankles, slowly allowing this healing energy to move up through your calf muscles, moving up to your knees and your thighs. Just allow this energy to flow up through your pelvis, moving the energy up through your lower back, your lower abdomen. Pull this energy up through your stomach. Just allow it to flow through your entire spine, right up to your shoulders, healing any cells, any tissues, cartilage, tendons, bones, nerves that need this healing. Feel this energy moving up through your chest, the breast. And then let's take a moment to focus at the base of our neck, to the thyroid, thymus, the immunity glands in our body. Focus at the base of your neck, giving healing to this powerful immunity gland that builds up immunity, that builds up the resistance to diseases in the body. Just channel healing energy there. Keep drawing your Reiki symbols. And then let's give a lot of healing to the shoulders. We carry this burden of the illness that we are going through, feeling responsible for our families. And even those who are caregivers feel all that responsibility that you carry on your shoulders. Let's ease out the energy by giving full energy to the shoulders. Relaxing the shoulders, relaxing the necks, the neck. And then focusing on the mouth, the jaws, the cheeks, the ears, eyes, the temples, the nose, and the back of the head. Focusing on all the organs. And then feeling this energy flowing through your entire face. then let's take a moment to just scan our body. So, with your closed eyes, just gently look down lovingly at your body. Focusing now on any particular parts of the body that are ailing or are in pain. And just know that when we do this for ourselves, as we channel this energy, it rings true for all those whom we have included in this healing circle, asking this light to dissolve that pain, that physical discomfort, pain. Many have written that they're suffering from high blood pressure, anxiety, cancer symptoms. So just focus on giving energy to those pain bodies, the emotional and the physical pain bodies, totally dissolving those pain. In energy healing, pain equates to guilt, to self punishment. Whatever known, unknown guilt, or thoughts that we carry, that we need to punish ourselves, we're not good enough, we're not doing our best. Let's totally dissolve this bright, loving, healing light. Just feel the nourishing touch of this healing light as if the angels are gently placing their hands on your head and slowly caressing you, slowly comforting you, knowing that at every time you're doing just your best. If you could do better, you would surely do better. Feel this loving, healing touch of Mother Reiki, of the angels, lovingly touch you. Just feel this at the back of your head. Gentle caress moving down from your head, down your upper back, focusing now on the center of the chest at the back heart chakra. Breathe with your focus on the back heart center of the chest at the back. Now, from this space, before we end, let's do a little forgiveness, those powerful, healing, forgiving statements. If you know for what you're saying it's fine. If not, just know that it is for whatever that this world or anybody we have included in this circle is suffering from. Saying that we take responsibility for this. We ask the universe to erase all programs and records from our memory that is causing this suffering to happen. And then just chant, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. Keep repeating in your heart, forgiving yourselves, forgiving your loved ones or anybody that you may be feeling challenged with in any relationship, or any other aspects that we need to clear. We ask for them to be included in this little forgiveness prayer for all of us. releasing any lower emotions of guilt, regret, hurt. Just know that this light is totally dissolving them. And just visualize those going into a huge purple fire, getting transmuted into love. Thank this divine energy for allowing us to be a channel, supporting so many who need this healing energy today. Thank and bless all the caregivers, caretakers, thanking them for opening their hearts and serving the world in the best possible way that they can, and reassuring them that they are doing absolutely their best. And asking this healing energy whenever they need it, whenever they are suffering, whenever. Let's once again draw the Reiki symbols as we conclude. Draw the 4 symbols, 3 symbols, whatever you're aware of. And asking this energy to continue to flow for our benefit. Knowing this light flows through all ages, all continents, all castes, all creeds. Anyone who needs it in this universe, we are praying and holding them in this healing circle today to ease the suffering of humankind, to ease the suffering of Mother Earth. Knowing this and confirming this, let's join our hands in our attitude of gratitude. I thank myself for being here. I thank Reiki for being here. I take your individual names, including all those who had written to us for this session and even those who are present, and so many who are not present. We hold them in this healing circle today, thanking them for being here, for opening up their hearts to receiving this divine energy. Thank all the guides and masters, angels, archangels, teachers, gurus, Dr. Usoi, Dr. Hayashi, Madam Takata, Puran and Sumandua, Rohini, and Rohit Sir, and all other healing masters who are present here, asking them to continuously channel this healing energy on this earth upon each one of us and continue to bless us and give us the strength to share this light that each one of us carries to ease the suffering for one and all. Take a nice deep breath of gratitude and release. Another deep breath up to your feet through your entire body and release. Then bringing a nice smile into every cell of your body. Nice smile on your face, sparkling eyes. If I ask you to just open your screens and receive this healing light, share this loving light with one another. Thank you. Thank you.